Gammill with Nest Pretty. You can read about it in the book. It's on Amazon. The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I do that through a process of life coaching combined with closet organization. So meanwhile, you can follow me on my own journey of curating a wardrobe I love. Just doing this work is so important. It takes away all the decision making in the morning. It makes getting dressed a pleasure instead of a pain. I have been working on my closet for many years, and I'm telling you, I'm giving it zero thought. And that is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's not like I'm going on automatic. It's just that it causes me no frustration and no angst and no decision fatigue and no teetering back and forth about what to wear. And I want that for you too. So one process that I use, I teach, and I think it's fantastic, not only to use in your wardrobe, but in your life, is called the edit, edit, edit. And that is where you look at what you chose for the day. You ask yourself 3 questions. What worked? What didn't work? How can I make it better? Now, those 3 questions are so powerful, not only in evaluating your wardrobe, but any endeavor that you're taking on. What worked? What didn't work? How can I make it better? When you ask those 3 questions, it gives your brain just fuel to get to work, to brainstorm how to make improvements. So good. So what worked? I'm wearing another new dress that I got for the fall weather. It has pockets, it is easy breezy, it is cotton, it has a little stretch to it. I also wore my brown leather flip-flops again. I loved this dress. Here's the thing, we are in what's called sweater weather. Sweater weather. But here in Florida, and I think it's true in many places, it's hot, but not too hot, and it's cool, but not too cool. So it's like hot and cold at the same time, which for me personally sets me up for a little bit of disaster midday. So I try to dress in such a way that I am going to be comfortable all day, whether that means putting on layers or wearing a fabric that is breathable. I just used to remember being in school in Michigan this time of year, and you put on that sweater because you're so excited to wear it because it's fall, and then by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the sun is pouring into the classroom and you are gonna die. So I feel personally, with Florida not having a huge transition, I wanted to change up my fall capsule wardrobe with the use of color instead of really pieces so much. So I have been experimenting just a little bit, and I'm enjoying the process. So that is how you do the edit, edit, edit. You can watch my video from yesterday to get more information. I'm almost out of time, so I just want to really honor your time. One thing I did notice today, let me just say, this dress is new, so I was thinking throughout the day, what's working, what's not working, what's working, what's not working. What worked was I walked around with swagger. I had so much confidence. I felt like this dress is sophisticated, just a little bit sexy, and smart. I loved it. So therefore, my shoulders were back, my head was up, I was smiling all day. Now that just made me think a lot today about clothing and how much does it affect your thoughts, therefore your feelings, and then your actions of how you're showing up in the world. That is where the work is. So sometimes you put on something and you say, oh, I feel frumpy in this, or I feel smart, or I feel sophisticated. So interesting that the thoughts you have about your clothing can affect how you feel throughout the day. Think about that. Fantastic. So my thought throughout the day, my questioning was, is it this dress or is it the fact that it's new? And really, the power we have to cultivate those thoughts that produce feelings of just kind of walking on a cloud, the feelings of having a new dress. So I am thinking about that. I'm excited about that thought. Can I have the new dress feeling every single day? Like I said, I'm a closet coach. I help you to go through your closet one piece at a time, asking you what are your thoughts about the clothing, therefore your feelings, and how you present yourself to the world. So much fun. If you are even slightly curious about this work, then grab my free 5-day training, link in bio. I hope it helps you to get started curating a wardrobe you love. Have a fantastic day.